How to make good UI with ChatGPT 5.6. ChatGPT 5.6 isn't just for text. It can help you design better user interfaces. Let's break down how to use it step by step. So start by telling ChatGPT who the UI is for. So, for example, the UI is for design a mobile banking app for freelancers focusing on savings and bill payments. So, simply click on enter, and ChatGPT will start generating a UI design and concept for you. And then after that, choose reasoning level. So use medium for quick layouts, high for complex workflows, extra high for maximum depth, and pro for detailed design systems. Ask ChatGPT to create scene-by-scene wireframes. So for example, login screen, dashboard, and checkout workflow. You can replicate this in Figma. Request component suggestions, such as 3-button styles for a minimalist productivity app with hover states. Ask ChatGPT to review accessibility, so check if this dark mode palette meets WCAG standards. Use work mode to generate structured design briefs for developers. Create a handoff document for a 3-page e-commerce checkout UI. ChatGPT 5.6 acts as a design strategist. It helps you plan, refine, and check accessibility before moving into design tools.